Hey guys, hope you are alright. So if you are using Adobe Premiere Pro for your editing needs and you have come across this problem that when you are connecting your laptop with your big screen or any monitor and then suddenly you start editing on your big screen, but then the audio that comes out from the Premiere Pro is still from your laptop instead of coming from the big screen. So if you're facing this issue, you don't need to worry about it because I'm going to show you how you can fix that issue. Let's get started. The first thing that you have to do is you have to go to Edit and you will go to the Preferences over here. When you click on Preferences, you have to go to Audio. When you go to this audio here, you go to Audio Hardware, and then from here you can see that default input and default output settings. So currently my default output is speaker Realtek audio. This means that my laptop is acting as an output device, so I can change this to Sony TV also. Now what will happen is that the output will be from the Sony TV, as you can see. Now if I go back here, press OK, and now if I play this clip, as you can see, this is how you can change your audio setting from your laptop to your smart TV or any monitor.